have a Seth Thomas clock that I bought a while back. It has a A200 series 8-8 pendulum strike movement in it. There's the directions. The foot on the clock is not allowing me to get the clock in beat because the way the foot is designed. So I'm going to take this movement out and I'm going to put a bigger groove in there so I can watch the leader wire swing back and forth. So a lot of people will get upset with what I'm doing, but that's just the way I want to work on this clock and get the clock in beat. It's easier to watch that leader wire swing back and forth off the foot as I showed in my other videos. So stand by for the next video. And please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, and God bless.